Shenzhen Lumen Lighting Company Limited, which was founded in 2013, is a professional TV backlight manufacturer, integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. Our LED strip are widely used for all TV brand, such as LG, Samsung, Hisense, TCL, Vestel, Panasonic, Toshiba. The company is about 2,000 square meters. We only use Japanese SMT machine Juki 2050, Juki 300, Juki 350 for LEDs and lens SMT. We have 10 years experience engineer team, so we have ability to make all kinds of customized products. We're using high-level heat dissipation aluminum or copper PCB, good quality brand LED such as Lextar, Samsung, LG. Original lens from HL Optics or Lumens. They are imported from LG or Samsung. We have CE report for our products. Warranty 2 years. About quality control, we have 2 times quality test. LED testing and function testing before package. Different package method can be chosen. Plastic box, foam bag package, plastic bags package. As usual for mass production, the lead time is 15 days. If urgent order, we can control the lead time in 10 days. Our TV backlight are hot sale in about 25 countries. Main market in South America, Mid-East, Asia, and Africa. Welcome more and more customers come to visit our factory.